Hey there. If you've been staring at screens, jumping between tabs, notifications, or messages, this short practice is here to help you reset, to step out of digital overload and come back to your body. Go ahead and find a comfortable seat. And I fully see the irony of listening to this practice while you're on your device. But if possible, let your phone rest face down or out of reach for these few minutes. Let your shoulders drop. Let your eyes gently close or soften your gaze. Take any shoulder rolls or neck rolls or twists that you need to come into this moment. Take one slow breath in through your nose and a full breath out through your mouth. Almost like you're powering down. Now notice how your mind feels right now. Maybe a bit scattered, maybe tired, maybe buzzing with unfinished thoughts. Just notice and acknowledge where you are at this moment. Now let's clear the static here with a grounding breath. Inhale through the nose for 4 and exhale through the mouth for 6. Let's begin. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like that, take 3 more rounds, but at your own pace. And with each breath, imagine releasing mental noise, emails, headlines, scrolling, information overload. Imagine letting all of that drain out of you. Now shift your attention to your senses. Feel the weight of your body in the chair or seat you're on. Notice how your spine is stacked. See if you can sit a little taller. Spread the tips of your shoulders left and right. Feel your feet or legs on the ground. Position of your neck. The sounds around you. This is where your attention lives. Being here in the present with all your senses. Not on a screen, not in a feed, but right here. Now let your breathing return to a natural rhythm. And this time, as you breathe, imagine energy returning to you. Not rushed, not sharp, just calm, steady clarity filling your cup. Feel the quietness and peace that lands here from this softening or shutting down. Take one deep breath in and a long, slow sigh out. Use this practice as a gentle reminder that you can disconnect at any time. And you can return to yourself in just a few breaths. Gently open your eyes and re-enter your day with clearer focus and calmer energy. And just don't forget to unplug every once in a while. And until next time, Have a good one.